Friends, in order to have the connection of the CCTV, we require this machine that is called DVR. So we have this from Hikvision, the same company, Turbo HD DVR, and the features that we have is H.265 video compression, HD input, mobile surveillance, and you can see the model number is DS7A00 series Turbo HD DVR, and we have here H.265 the features, and we have the USB backup, we have the web access, and this is the mobile surveillance. And let us see the price of it. The price is 9,700 each, inclusive of all taxes. So this is just MRP as you can see it here, but if you buy you will be given a concession. So now let us open it and see what the things are. So friends, this is the one, and it has other gadgets too. It is covered with the plastic. This is the real DVR from Hikvision. Let's open it up and see. We have at least 8 cameras that we can fix it up in it, and we have the connections like VGA connection, HDMI connection, and we have audio input and audio out, and we also have the LAN and USB. Then we have the power socket, that is 12 volts. Indicators that we can see when we plug in. We have the power adapter. This is the power adapter. We have some hard disks connector, and we have a mouse. This is a mouse as we can use in the laptop or the desktop, and this is it. Thank you. Friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe.